When people first see Mosie, they often think it's just another syringe. But the reality is that Mosie was designed specifically with intended parents in mind. Unlike standard syringes that were originally created for medical purposes, Mosie was thoughtfully designed for home insemination. Every aspect of the product was created to help make the experience feel simpler, more comfortable, and more approachable for people building their families at home. We know that fertility journeys can already feel overwhelming. There are appointments, decisions, timelines, expenses, and emotions involved. For many intended parents, the process can feel intimidating before they even begin. The last thing anyone needs is a product that adds more stress or uncertainty to an already emotional experience. That's why comfort, simplicity, and ease of use were at the center of the design process. Mosie was created to help people feel more confident throughout the process. Whether they are using donor sperm, trying at home with a partner, or exploring alternative paths to parenthood. In fact, in one user study, 98% of participants reported that Mosie was comfortable and easy to use. We believe that's important because when a product feels intuitive and approachable, people can focus less on the process and more on the goal that they are working toward. At the end of the day, Mosie isn't just about a product. It's about helping intended parents feel supported, empowered, and confident on their journey to building a family. And that's exactly what we set out to do.